Nearly 94% of drivers have never heard of the tricks I'm about to walk you through. Some of them save hundreds of dollars a month on repairs. Today, I'm revealing 15 genius car hacks you won't believe actually work. Let's get into it. Hack number 15. Make your tires look brand new. Your sidewalls look dull, faded, and worn. That brownish film makes the entire car look older than it is. Tire dressings at the auto parts store cost $10 to $18 a bottle, and most of what you're paying for washes off the first time it rains. Here is what the detailing world figured out years ago and never advertised. Black paste shoe polish behaves on rubber exactly the way it behaves on leather. Grab a soft cloth, work the paste into the sidewall with short circular strokes, let it sit for about a minute, then buff away the excess with a dry rag. What you get is a deep, even matte black finish that does not fling off at highway speed and does not grab grime the way glossy sprays do. A tin of paste shoe polish costs about $3 and lasts for months. Detailers have been using this on customer vehicles for years. They just charge you for the branded product instead. Hack number 14. Restore cracked rubber pedal. Your brake and clutch pedals take a beating every single day. The rubber hardens, cracks, and wears down over time. When that happens, the pedals turn stiff, squeaky, and slippery whenever they get wet, which is the exact moment you need them to grip. Interior shops quote $50 to $80 to replace worn pedal covers with aftermarket sets. What they leave out is that half the time the existing rubber just needs conditioning, not replacing. A thin layer of petroleum jelly rubbed into the rubber brings the material back to life. The flexibility returns, the squeaking stops, and the cracking slows dramatically. Apply a small amount with a cloth, work it into the texture, then wipe away the excess so the pedal stays grippy. A $2 jar handles the job and keeps your pedals performing the way they should. Hack number 13. Recalibrate your power windows. One of your windows hesitates, stops halfway, or refuses to close fully unless you hold the button the entire time. Before you hand a mechanic $200 to $400 for a window regulator repair, try this first. Power windows on most modern vehicles operate through a calibrated memory system. If the battery has been disconnected or the car had a software glitch, that calibration resets and the window loses its reference points. The fix takes 30 seconds. Hold the button all the way down until the glass reaches the bottom, then keep holding for 3 more seconds. Pull the button all the way up until the window is fully closed, then keep holding for another 3 seconds. Release and test. On most vehicles, that sequence rewrites the motor's memory and restores full one-touch operation immediately. Mechanics file this under window regulator diagnostic and charge $60 to $90 in labor for a 30-second button press. Hack number 12. Clean battery corrosion. That chalky white crust building around your terminals is corrosion slowly strangling the electrical connection. Most drivers panic and buy a new battery or hand $50 to a shop for a cleaning. Here is the chemistry. The acids naturally present in cola react with the alkaline compounds that form battery corrosion and break them down on contact. Pour a small amount directly over the affected terminals. Give it about 2 minutes. Scrub with an old toothbrush. Rinse thoroughly with water and dry completely before starting the car. Shops use a commercial battery cleaner that is essentially the same acid-based chemistry packaged into a branded aerosol. They charge $50 for the service and try to sell you a $20 bottle on top. A can of cola from the vending machine is $2 and your terminals come out looking factory fresh. Hack number 11. Use the cargo hooks. You load groceries into the trunk and by the time you pull into the driveway, half the bags have toppled over. This happens every week to millions of drivers and most just accept it. Here is what very few people realize. The majority of SUVs, crossovers, minivans, and even a lot of sedans built in the last decade have retractable cargo hooks integrated into the floor or sidewalls of the trunk. They fold flat when not in use, which is exactly why most owners never spot them. Lift them up and you have anchor points to hang and secure bags so they stay upright the entire drive. Cargo organizers at auto stores cost $25 to $60 for something your car already does for free. Check the trunk floor near the corners. If you spot flat metal loops or recessed clips, the feature is already there waiting. Before we get to the ones that genuinely save your engine, hit that like button and subscribe. Every like helps us keep making content that protects your wallet. Hack number 10. Remove bird droppings. Bird droppings and tree sap are not just cosmetic problems. They are chemically aggressive, and if left alone, they will etch directly into your clear coat. Most drivers try to scrub them off dry and scratch the surface, or buy specialty paint decontamination products at $20 a bottle. Baking soda mixed with just enough water to form a soft paste becomes a gentle, non-abrasive cleaner that neutralizes the acidic compounds eating into your paint. Apply a small amount to the spot with a soft microfiber cloth. Work it in lightly with circular strokes. Let it sit for 60 seconds, then wipe away and rinse clean. The neutralization happens at a chemical level, not through scrubbing force. Paint correction at a detail shop starts at $150. A box of baking soda is $1.50. The chemistry is identical. The markup is not. Hack number 9. Restore hazy headlights. Yellowed hazy headlights cut your nighttime visibility by a significant margin. That is a safety issue, not just cosmetics. Headlight restoration kits at auto stores cost $20 to $35 and require multiple compounds and wet sanding. Here is a two-step method that gets you nearly the same result for almost nothing. Start with non-gel white toothpaste, the gritty old-fashioned kind. Apply a generous amount to each lens and scrub firmly with a damp cloth in circular motions for about 2 minutes. The mild abrasive lifts the oxidized layer and clears the haze. Rinse clean, then apply a thin coat of regular paste car wax and buff it out. The wax seals the surface and slows the rate UV damage returns. Shops charge $80 to $150 for professional restoration. Your total cost sits under $5 with products you already have at home. Hack number 8. Prevent rust with WD-40. Rust starts in the hidden spots: the undercarriage, the wheel wells, the inside edges of doors, the bottoms of frame rails. By the time you see it on the surface, the damage underneath has been developing for a long time. Body shops charge hundreds, sometimes thousands, for rust repair and undercoating treatments. WD-40 is a water displacement compound. That is literally what the name stands for. It forms a thin, moisture-resistant barrier over metal surfaces that slows the oxidation process responsible for rust. Spray it along exposed metal edges, into door seams, around wheel arch lips, and across any bare metal you can reach on the undercarriage. This is not a permanent rust cure, and it will not reverse existing damage. But as a preventive treatment applied twice a year, especially before winter in salt regions, it is one of the most cost-effective things you can do. Professional rust proofing runs $100 per application. A can of WD-40 is $3. Hack number 7. Fix misaligned washer nozzles. Your windshield washer fluid is spraying everywhere except your windshield. It hits the roof, flies off the hood, or drenches one side while leaving the other bone dry. Mechanics will write this up as a washer system inspection and charge labor for a 30-second fix. Each washer nozzle has a tiny adjustable tip with a pinhole opening. Slide the tip of a sewing needle gently into the hole and apply light directional pressure to pivot the nozzle toward your target. Test after each small adjustment until the spray lands dead center on both sides. Start to finish it takes under a minute with a household sewing needle. Hack number 6. Clean your windshield. Your windshield looks clean until the sun drops to that late afternoon angle and turns it into a wall of blinding glare. The culprit is a thin film of soap residue, silicone from interior sprays, and airborne grease that builds up invisibly on the glass. Mix equal parts plain vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Apply directly to the glass and wipe with a clean microfiber cloth. The acetic acid dissolves the film and lifts mineral deposits without leaving any residue of its own. Premium glass treatment services at detailing shops run $30 using professional-grade acidic glass cleaners. Same chemistry. A gallon of white vinegar is $3 and covers a full year of windshield treatments. Hack number 5. Activate the auto lock. Most vehicles built after 2010 have an automatic door locking feature built into the body control module. It locks all doors once the car reaches a set speed or when you shift into park and remove the key. The feature is already in your car's programming. It is just disabled by default from the factory. Turn it on through your infotainment menu under Vehicle Settings, Door Locks, or Security depending on the make and model. Some older vehicles need a specific button sequence on the door panel, usually involving the lock button and an ignition cycle. Check your owner's manual. Dealers charge $150 to program this as a convenience upgrade. The software is already there. It just needs to be switched on. Hack number 4. Unclog your AC condenser. Your air conditioning runs constantly, but the air feels lukewarm at best. The cabin filter has been replaced and the refrigerant is fine. The actual problem is sitting right behind your front grille where nobody told you to look. The AC condenser gets clogged over time with bugs, road debris, and packed dust. Once airflow through it is restricted, the system works harder, cools less, and adds extra wear to the compressor. With the car off and cool, aim a garden hose gently through the front grille from the engine side outward. Do not blast high-pressure water directly at the fins. Just flush the debris out. Let it dry completely before running the AC again. Do this once every spring and your AC will run stronger for years. A C servicing at a shop starts at $150 and often includes refrigerant top-offs for a problem that was never about refrigerant in the first place. Hack number 3. Remove interior stains. Coffee on the seat fabric. Grease on the carpet. Something unidentified that has been there for 3 months and has fully committed to staying. Interior detailers charge $80 to $150 for upholstery cleaning. Here is what works before you call anybody. Sprinkle a generous layer of dry baking soda directly onto the stain. Let it sit for at least 20 minutes. The baking soda pulls moisture and odor, causing compounds out of the fabric through absorption. Vacuum it up completely. Then treat any remaining discoloration with a small amount of dish soap, diluted in water using a soft brush. Blot, do not scrub, and let it air dry. For grease-based stains, the order matters. Apply baking soda first to pull the oil out before introducing any liquid. Adding water to a grease stain before the oil is absorbed drives it deeper. That sequence is the difference between a stain that disappears and one that doubles in size. Hack number 2. Condition your dashboard. Your dashboard looks dull, faded, and dried out. Whatever interior dressing spray you used last left a greasy streak that attracted more grime than it repelled. Premium dashboard conditioners at auto shops cost $20 to $30. Here's what works better and costs almost nothing. Put a few drops of olive oil onto a microfiber cloth, never directly onto the dashboard, and work it across the plastic and vinyl surfaces with long, even strokes. Buff off the excess with a second dry cloth. The natural oils condition the material, restore color depth, and leave a clean, low-sheen finish without the greasy residue silicone sprays leave behind. Olive oil absorbs into the surface rather than sitting on top, which means it does not attract dust at the same rate. It also conditions vinyl against cracking from heat exposure. Run this treatment once a month and your interior will look newer 5 years from now than it does today. Hack number 1. Stop contaminating your own fuel tank. Every time you fill up, you squeeze the trigger to full flow and stand there waiting. It feels efficient. In reality, it is one of the most common ways drivers unknowingly contaminate their own fuel system, and mechanics have been quietly profiting from that habit for years. At full pumping speed, the fuel rushes into your tank fast enough to agitate sediment settled at the bottom of the underground storage tank at the station. That stirred up sediment gets drawn through the pump and into your car, where it gradually clogs fuel injectors, stresses the fuel filter, and eats away at engine performance over time. Pumping at half speed or slower gives the fuel time to settle as it enters your tank, and dramatically reduces the particulate matter that makes it into your system. It takes a few extra minutes per fill up. What it prevents is hundreds of dollars in fuel injector cleaning services, premature fuel filter replacements, and the slow performance decline mechanics diagnose as general wear, rather than something you caused yourself at the pump. Fuel injector cleaning runs $100 to $200 at most shops. A new fuel filter is $50 to $150 with labor. Slow down at the pump. The engine runs cleaner. Fuel economy improves, and you stop sending money to your mechanic for a problem you were creating without realizing it. That is 15 genius car hacks using items you already own. The car care industry counts on you never figuring these out. Now you have. If this video saved you money, hit subscribe so you never miss what is coming next. And watch this video right now, because I am breaking down the mechanic scams that cost drivers hundreds every single visit, including the one most people never catch until it is too late.